Here I have a slide from the previous video where I show how to create a presentation for the company called Sync. And in this video, I'm going to show how to convert this frame into PowerPoint slides without using any plugins. This is exactly how I do it whenever I need to convert Figma presentation to PowerPoint presentation. You can find Figma file in the description down below in case you want to follow along. Let's export everything. I'm going to select the frame, and here down below on the right side, export as PNG. Now I'm going to hide everything inside because I want to export the background color. It's radial here and white color underneath. I'm going to select this frame and export as PNG. Next, I'm going to select the frame, hide, fill here and here, and unhide the text, and this text, and this text. I'm going to scroll down below, export as PNG. I'm going to hide all the text, unhide the picture, select the frame, export as PNG, and I'm going to select the picture, not the frame, and also export as PNG. Now we are all set. Let's go to PowerPoint and I'll show you how to add everything. Let's add all the PNG images. I'm going to click on Insert, Pictures, this device, select all images and insert. Now I'm going to click on Home, select Selection Panel because I want to see the layers on my right side. I'm going to hide one by one, add some random text here. Okay, I'm going to unhide this one. So this is the base. I'm going to select and adjust. Now it's centered. So this is the base. It has text, image, background color, everything. And you can use this image just as well without doing anything else. But I'm going to show how I do it, how I prepare presentations. I just noticed my camera was off. Now I'm back. I'm going to double click here and rename to original. I'm going to hide and unhide picture 6. It's the background. I'm going to center, double click, and change to BG. Hide, unhide picture 8, double click, and type text, and I'm going to center. Okay, let's double check. No, it's off. Now it's good. This is why you want original PNG file. Just to make sure, let's hide picture 10. I'm going to double click, unhide original PNG, and just make sure it's okay. Double click, image, hide this and this. Oh, and this was exported as an image, not as a frame. This is why it's so big. Now I'm going to type image 2, unhide original. So you see it's much bigger. You have to resize. But maybe you want a bigger picture, or maybe you want to animate it separately. For example, here, okay, I'm going to hide original. Here it's exported as the whole frame and it's easier to position. And here it's exported as a separate image and imported to PowerPoint, of course, and you can adjust size here. I just wanted to show 2 ways of how you can do this. Let's add text. I'm going to unhide text, click on title 1 and rename to head, and bring up top and type early feedback. Now it's Roboto, bold, 32, I guess. Now I need to add color. Click on this, select RGB code, copy, back here, select the text, more colors, custom, paste the code, okay. And now I can drag this and position. Make it smaller. I can also zoom in here to make my life easier. And it looks about right. I'm going to click on Subtitle 2, bring up top here on the right side, and paste the text. I'm going to drag up top, select all the text, Roboto Light. I'm going to change size to 32. Bring down 30. I'm going to use italic 32. Let's see. Yeah, it's 32. Off. All right. Now I'm going to select all the text, click here, and recent colors. And now I'm going to drag down below. I'm going to zoom in. About right. I just noticed that my text layer is out of sync. I'm going to select text layer and drag up top. Now I'm going to select Subtitle 2 and drag down. Okay. Subtitle 2 and align. I'm going to select the text. Click here for line spacing options. Now it's set to 0.9. I'm going to type 0.88 or even 87. Yeah, about right. Now I'm going to add text at the bottom. I'm going to click Insert, Text Box, and paste the name. I'm going to click once again, text box, paste. I'm going to click on the name, drag down below, change to Roboto, size 16, probably. Yeah, about right. I'm going to click on this text, drag down below, change to Roboto, size 12. I honestly don't know what size it should be. I'm just guessing, and I guess I'm just lucky. Now I need to change the color of each, and this is the tricky part. Back in Figma, name selected. Here on the right side, you can see that the code is the same, but visibility is set to 75, meaning that the color is different, but the code is the same. I'm going to draw a rectangle here, zoom in, click here, choose color selection tool, and click on this color. Now I have a new code. I'm going to copy, go back to PowerPoint and paste. Let's center, select the text, go to more colors, custom, and I'm going to do the same thing with the text here below. Back in Figma, I'm going to click here and select this color, choose the code, copy, go back to PowerPoint, select the text, more colors, custom, paste, and I have this color. It looks darker, I can improve here if I want, make it lighter. I'm going to zoom in, click on each. This one could be a little bit smaller, right? No, it's 12. Okay. Maybe it's Roboto Light. Yes, it's Roboto Light. Okay. Great. Back to 100. We are finished with the text. I'm going to hide text layer. We don't need this anymore. I'm going to bring background up top here under image, this and this. I'm going to hide this one. So background is here, image is here, subtitle, head, text, text. I'm going to double click on text box 14 and type small text 1, double click here, small text 2. I'm going to drag here under image. Slide is finished. If you want to animate, you can click on each layer, go to animations and change to float in, split, or none. You can choose image, grow and turn. And this is how it works. Once you have each layer set, you can animate. But remember, if you're going to animate in PowerPoint, don't waste your time animating in Figma, prototyping in Figma. It's a waste of time because you'll find different animations here, so you don't have to do it in Figma. Just create still images and animate directly in PowerPoint. Now you know how to transition from Figma to PowerPoint. And if you want to recreate any other slides, the process is the same.